Think $10,000 isn't enough to start investing in real estate? Think again. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can take just 10 grand and start building long-term, sustainable income. Whether you're brand new or just looking to scale smart, stick around, because I'm giving you proven strategies, real numbers, and zero fluff. Now before we dive in, smash that subscribe button. Don't miss weekly insights on how to dominate the real estate game. I help aspiring investors and everyday professionals turn real estate into real income without needing millions in the bank.
Want to turn $10,000 into a real estate empire? It might sound impossible, but with the right strategy, you can turn a modest sum into a powerful portfolio. The key is to start smart, think big, and act fast. Here's your $1 million game plan in 60 seconds. Time is money, so let's break down exactly how you can get started and scale up, even if you're new to real estate. Begin with a Federal Housing Administration loan or house hack a duplex. Live in one unit, rent the other. This way, your tenants help pay your mortgage, and you build equity while keeping your living costs low. Use bank financing and partner money. Don't be afraid to team up with others. Pooling resources can help you buy bigger, better properties and share the risk. Your cash is your bait, not your limit. Use it to attract deals, negotiate better terms, and show sellers you're serious. Leverage is your friend in real estate. Buy properties that pay you monthly. Focus on positive cash flow, rental income that covers your expenses and puts money in your pocket every month. Pretty homes do not always mean profit. Sometimes the best investments are the ones that need a little work but offer big returns. Look for value, not just curb appeal. Study rents, job growth, and population trends. Invest where money moves. Research neighborhoods with rising demand, strong job markets, and growing populations. Refinance, reinvest, repeat. That's the real estate rinse and repeat formula. Buy, improve, rent, and use your profits to buy again. Each cycle grows your empire. You do not need millions to start, just the right game plan, determination, and a willingness to learn. Every big investor started with a single step. Smash that subscribe button and follow the $1 million game plan, because your future net worth starts here. Take action today and watch your real estate journey unfold.